I am Dr. Ayushi Sharma. Basically, I'm from Bihar, but right now practicing as senior residency at MGM Kalamboli, Navi Mumbai. And I've applied for the course of FMAS, DMAS, and FIH here. I basically needed a basic introduction about laparoscopy and improve my hand-eye coordination. And I feel it was pretty good. Like I have experienced pretty good. Like I know how much difficult it was before I came here, thinking that if ever I could be able to become a lap surgeon or not. But yeah, things have been made little easy, and all the trainers here are really nice, and they have taught us like pretty good techniques and easy techniques. Now I also have an endo trainer at my home, so at least know the techniques, how to handle a needle or how to do endo suturing. So it will definitely help me to go and practice it more and eventually practice it later in a patient. The first taught us here in the endo trainer and improved our hand-eye coordination through paper cutting and then cobra drill, and then making us do suturing in the meat tissue so that we know what is the feel of the tissue. So eventually we shifted to the wet lab. It was convenient for us to handle the instruments, which is most important. I was able to handle like when to apply a bipolar because of the improved hand-eye coordination, because of like all the exercises that has been done. And especially during the port insertion, at least I had the experience like what kind of pressure or how much pressure I have to apply through my hand and how much uh, coordination that I need, especially between my hand, eyes, and foot while applying all the electrosurgical instruments, bipolar and monopolar. We observed a lot of TLH cases and we have seen different methods of insertion of port, which was pretty nice, and it helped us, like it gave us confidence that at least we can go from here and start practicing it, or at least doing the step-by-step procedures, like easy procedures, and then shifting to like at least diagnostic to we can do, clipping we can do. And it was nice discussing all the different topics, how we work, or also motivated each other or taught each other how to do it if we were not able to manage it or something. So it was a pretty good, and the hostel that you guys have provided is also nice, convenient, so that even we are late or if we are like 5-10 minutes before, we can reach on time. That was very important, especially in winters. I would definitely suggest them because when you see in the hospital or when you work under someone, they just tell you that we are doing like this, and they don't teach you the basic crux. Like they'll not be able to teach you how to even handle a needle or to how to hold it. And here we have been taught like 3 methods how we can. So that is just the difference. So you need to do at least a basic course of such things to understand what actually hand-eye coordination, what actually lap is, and then only you can advance to further things. Definitely, I will recommend Medicity for this because I had quite a good experience. Plus, I had now confidence that yeah, I'll be able to become a lap surgeon. Thank you, Medicity.